Oh. Oh, goody. I like books, and especially ones about caterpillars.
Just look at all the caterpillars. So many sizes, so many colors.
Oh, Barney, Monty, it's Monty. That looks like Monty.
Little caterpillars are very hungry, so they eat a lot of leaves and plants. They grow bigger and bigger until one day, something special happens. They make a chrysalis. And while they're inside, they finish growing. When they come out of their chrysalis, they have wings, and we call them a butterfly.
You mean Monty's going to turn into a butterfly?
Oh, that's right, Baby Bop. A big, beautiful butterfly, like this.
Ow! Ow, I'm a butterfly!
Oh, you look great.
It's fantastic fun to flutter like a butterfly.
Yeah, it sure is. Shh. Monty's still sleeping. Let's go check on him.
Okay.
Where is he? He isn't here. He's gone. Oh, the chrysalis is empty.
And that means Monty has become a butterfly.
A butterfly? Oh, that's goody. But where is he? I don't see him. Oh, did he already fly away? Barney, I wanted to see his beautiful wings, and he forgot to tell me goodbye.
Baby Bop, you took such good care of Monty. I'm sure he'll never forget you.
And I'll never forget him.
Oh, look! Flutterby's flutter. Butterfly!
Sissy, come quick! What? Ooh, just look at all of them.
Well, maybe one of them is Monty.
Oh, Monty, you didn't forget me. Look at you. Well, you're a real butterfly. Oh, a butterfly kiss. Oh, goodbye, Monty. I won't forget you, ever. Oh, they grow up so fast.
Oh, Baby Bop, I think you have a visitor.
Well, oh, looky, everybody. What? I have a new pet. It's another caterpillar. Do you have a name? What's that? Oh, Molly. Oh, well, that's a pretty name. Come on, BJ, Riff, we have to teach Molly all about being a butterfly.
Okay.
Someday she'll need to make a chrysalis, what's it called?
Chrysalis.
Yeah,